So doing our data folders is a great way to monitor our progress and to work towards our goals. So for the first slide, we had our name data folder. So Rachel's data folder, Tim's data folder, whatever your name is in data folder. And then the subtitle is the date that we started. If for some reason you accidentally deleted this, you can always buy this plus button for new slide. If you hit the arrow next to that, this is the title slide page. So that is for this first slide. The second slide that we added, again, if you hit that drop down arrow next to new slide, it was just the title and body. So you can always select this one again if you need to add another text box. For the title on this one, we typed in ELA data. And then for the main text box, we started with our AR level. So whatever your AR level is, that is what you'll put right here. The next part, we did our reading benchmark 1. So you'll put in whatever your score was, however many correct out of the total, and then whatever your proficiency level was. For the next slide, we just needed a blank slide to go along with our ELA data. And for this one, what we did was we hit insert, we went down to chart, and we hit pie. So that automatically created this pie chart. So let's say, you know what, I need to go back into there because I wasn't quite finished. All you have to do is hit this down button and then hit open source. You never want to hit the unlink button, just hit open source, and that will pull up the data that we need to input in order for the pie chart to work. So when we started doing it, it said team 1, team 2. All you needed to do was take out that. And then let's say I have, instead of this, I need to change it. Let's say I have 16 ones and 21 twos and 10 threes, and then we don't really need this one. So as you can see, it started changing our pie chart. So now when we go back, it'll have a new button that says update. So when I hit update, boom, it'll start updating the pie chart. So now you can see your percentage of scores. So for our slide number 4, we are now going to do our goals. So this time again, for your drop down arrow, it's again just the title and body slide. So this time the title is ELA goals. And for our first one in the text box, it's my ELA goal. And then these are just some sentence starters for things that we thought of in class. So my ELA goal is to increase my AR level to ... for whatever you want to increase that to. I also want to increase my benchmark proficiency level to ... whatever you want. Additionally, I want to get ... So let's say you want an X amount more threes, whatever your goal is. And then the improvement plan underneath says my improvement plan, colon, my improvement plan is to ... So whether it's to read more minutes per night, to check in with your parents every night after you read so you can get better at recalling what the information was about and that have a deeper understanding of it. Is your improvement plan to study more for tests? Is it to take more AR tests to help increase your AR level? So whatever your improvement plan is in order to reach your goal, that's what you're going to put down here. So after the ELA stuff, we also have slides for math. So slide number 5, the title is math data. And then the text box underneath, we're going to type in math benchmark 1. Again, whatever your score was out of the total, and then whatever your proficiency level was, you just type it in directly next to it. From there, just like we did for ELA data, we also have the chart available. So again, same thing. If we, let's say you didn't get a chance to add a chart yet, it's the same thing, just insert, chart, pie, and then from there it automatically adds this for you. So let's do that just to see what it looks like. And then it will add it directly onto the slide for you, just like that. So like we said before, it'll say team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4. So again, when you go in there, it'll just pull up the numbers and you can delete those. And then again, hitting the update button. And then same thing for math goals, same wording, whatever you want to increase to.